Good morning class 2. Hope you are all doing good. Today we will do the second lesson of your English subject. Page number 21 from your term books. Page number 21 from your term books. And the lesson name is Little Robin Red Beast. Little Robin Red Beast. Okay. Now, here there are two characters. One is cat, the other one is Robin. Who is Robin? Robin is a bird. Okay. There are two characters. This poem is regarding two characters, that is Pussycat and the Robin. Now we'll see the poem. Little Robin Redbreast sat upon a tree. Up went Pussycat and down went he. So, Little Robin Redbreast, I told you, it's a bird. It was sitting on a tree. It was sitting on a tree. Up went Pussycat and down went he. So, suddenly what happened? This Pussycat went up. Then the bird came down. Actually, the Robin was sitting on the tree and it was seeing here and there. So, suddenly a Pussycat went up and the Robin went down. Down came Pussy and away Robin ran. And now what happened? This Pussycat came down and Robin started running away from that place. Says Little Robin Redbreast, catch me if you can. Now, and this bird can fly. So, what bird is doing? What Robin is doing? Robin is flying. And what it is saying? Come on, Pussy. If you can catch me, come on, start catching me. Okay. Little Robin Redbreast jumped upon a wall. Pussycat jumped after him and almost got a fall. So, can cat fly? Can Pussy fly? No, it cannot fly. But bird can fly. So, here Robin is playing a game with the Pussy. What it is saying? Come on, Pussy. Catch me if you can. And it was jumping upon a wall. And Pussy also started jumping and it fell down of the wall. Little Robin chomped and sang. And what did Pussy say? Pussycat said meow meow and walked away. Now what happened? As Robin was flying, jumping upon a wall and all, Pussycat was also jumping and it fell down. Now what happened? Robin was very happy and started singing a song. And now what Pussy is saying? Robin is singing a song. The bird is singing a song. And what is cat doing? Cat is saying meow 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 and Robin jumped away. Now can we catch birds, children? We cannot catch birds because they'll be flying. Now Pussy is taking challenge from Robin. How can it win? It cannot win because Robin can sit on a wall, it can sit on a tree, it can come down, it can go up. Can Pussy do all these things? No, it cannot do. So what happened? Pussy jumped from the wall and it fall down and it got hurt and now it's saying meow 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 and going away from that place. And Robin was very happy and it was singing the songs. This is a lesson, Little Robin. Now please take down the hard words, children. Please take down the hard words. Robin, Pussy, tree, catch, Robin, Redbreast, catch, jumped, okay, meow, wall, little, please copy down these hard words, children. Robin Redbreast, Pussy, tree, cat, jumped, meow, wall, little, chirped, sang. These are the hard words. Please copy down these hard words. Okay. Okay children, copy down these hard words one time in your class work and 2 times in your homework, and I'll give you the question and answers today. I'll send you the question and answers, so please copy the question and answers also. Read the poem very well. Please copy the poem also. First page you copy the poem. Second page you write down the hard words. From third page you start writing the question and answers. Is that clear? But for your homework, hard words 2 times. Is that clear? This is the poem Little Robin. So get by hearted with the poem and make yourself very clear about the poem. Is that clear? Okay children, thank you. Good day.